Rahisisha uwezo wako wa ushindi kwa kukuwa memba wa Loto Moto, na ni rahisi. Dial *570#, chagua option 1. Ukiwa memba ni rahisi kufika kwenye jukwaa hili ili kujaribu mchezo wetu wa Loto Moto Show. Na pia kama memba unajipa nafasi rahisi ya kuingia kwenye promotion zetu zinazokupa nafasi ya kujishindia chapaa na zawadi kibao kama TV, friji, pikipiki, mashamba na pia magari. Kuwa memba ni *570# option 1. Tushinde kama members.
Yes, mashabiki maitu, mashabiki EKAI TUNEENE kwa masitonye nito Robert Mue wambendano wimbitekala kamana kakuyo kambani na tuikila kilunguni mbaitu mwendete piu kilungkita wa EKAI TUNEENE na nimuda basi EKAI TUNEENE ni kilungkita akieteto konyu ni kuisila kisese kinene kisese ni cha Triple PTV na nundu wa wendosu ola wendo wa mashabika omunde mweni ola ni mweteye ni mweni by the way mwede ito muhimuetia so niendo kuya osaka mwanya Osakabila sit down ikala ndeni kenda isekwithia mashabiki ni twamanya mweni waito honesta, so don't go far. So mashabiki waito tolondo ni muda mse karibuni sana umundi nina mweni tukwitha tu iko story na kibano mweni wetu karibu sana katika studios.
Ambita mshamba lakini hizo mshamba ni ule mundona una mashamba mengi, so that means na maplot maguta.
I am sorry.
No,
I am sorry. Iwe sina hapo mshamba ikuza nule ile studio.
Mundo asiokia standard 1 takwa. No mshamba. Onaya vikava. Na wasiokia standard 1 tiati ndundu kuko kwa yuka. Kwa vigala kwa hii round. Wasiokia hata mnaweza kama kitoka. Sio mshamba.
Yes.
Ninetekela.
Yes. So karibu sana.
Thank you sir.
Niendo sasa camera kala with the no introduce kula tu mashabiki.
Yes. Yes.
Umatavyo ndio tawani kenda sikwithia. Hicho sima kwisi lakini ve alama na si
Gen Z. Taka producer fulani ni Ezekiel band lakini ndio hata.
Wewe una producer wako.
Yes mashabiki mwita wata leta wa Dr. Mbuvi kwa takawaya aningi sisi on the leta yes no na ni mundo we mpyo ile mashabiki kona kwamba wakanachio yoke.
Karibu sana katika studios. Mashabiki medi kuiti.
Thank you sir.
Na wewe yani tu kwanza need to understand you very busy industry ionekani kukwate tena sana
lakini mafanza hayo watu mariva industry so na nichekela kile mwaka wani sembete kusema
yes ni matabasi mume da hapo
ni wados
masi umundi tu kwenda show
that's it
masi umundi
maina basi hizo kumavambio
na sasa
ni boss you're so right
they are kama tabia katumazuke bani imatu faida si mbio
Pe mundo wama ndikina kawati ni mwapa ya brother. Kawati kamu pia numi tena na muhando. Ambe ino kumwinde za wata ni. No mumemba sisi kumu
serious.
Akaya serious. Na mwe okay si ngope hizi stop your jokes. You too much like that. Thank you sir. Okay sawa. Mashabi
azini wewe na boss wewe.
Customer is right. Shabi is right.
Yes. Na tukamanenga kila matwiche.
No tumanenga. You know me
about matwiche. Makuitisi.
Wanani bani kwenda kuisilia kitu kawala dikia kabala mbingale etaya mwe mbakani kitale une kokete
mbetele
kakokete
yes so mwe Mbuvi karibu sana.
Thank you very much.
Otuambisa ni twese niwende interviews bingi lakini ngoka katika studio EKAI TUNEENE ngwana na nyama mashabiki wa EKAI TUNEENE
na kikamba
wow, very
motherland.
We love our company.
We love our company. Mbuvi mwenda Yesu mtao kama madota wa mwana na harusi. Wameta peta itumbi kana matumbi hapa na maseo itumbi miona mbwana bala iko manazo sa river kamba ndo ashebi yesterday one like I told you ndo weza ku abort wa lakini ndiba bisa kitu mnenda nature. I was almost not natural, that's why I'm nature. Orikute sa don but at least so mangi tengo ngela as a degree mingo si okay niki master so we were the mini I was a banker. That's wow.
Bongos monde
that is you. Mini you kama lecturer na banker Na wazogeza niko tekundizia kuba. Nikakamera ngona bao necho mienesikia kisichisi. Ingeta mpishi Dr. Mbuvi. Ngoja. That is an action. Is even a doctor. That's honorable. What happened? Pay organization is our NGO. We are wanting to spread the gospel, number one. Now also two with our pastors. We can only make up this sure. You see, there are people who get carried away by the word of God. Now a little bit of cultural beliefs. The culture is beautiful, but there are people beliefs is based. So we have to go back and see what they're doing, what's managing the different forces and everything. So because of that, I got wow, doctor. What you say to mom? Why? I say we love you. Oh, sorry. I say we love you. Blow. Sorry. Blow. Yeah, sorry. Blow. This is one of my like I say we love you. But I say we love you. But my mom was a teenager. I was high school. So of course they are that is biological. That is whoever was the cause. Either physical cause or defect. The cause. I'm like, if I never ambassador. My mom my mom is left-handed like me. And that woman then she gave back to me. I'm not only a post now, I'm not only yeah. Anyway, but I don't blame the guy, baby. I don't know. But I'm imagining them. You imagine yourself about girlfriend who are afraid. What are you going to do? You're scared. Parents, mama, people protected. You're scared they can kill you. You know, there's a story nowadays. Hey, Makia, we need pregnancy more than this. Yes. So can you imagine even then? How you fear your mother and father? How can you have a child? So now your mama says, how do I live life? Number one, to live life. Number two, kitambo. Till abortion, say you can survive. Yeah. Mama, he is our fivefold minister, evangelist, teacher, prophet, apostle, pastor, fivefold. Like in there, I don't want to match. I was taken care of by my grandmother, and as a result, through my grandmother, you know, some then to the mother is where my now my family, the only raised me up comes from. Taiwan got after my chapters. So now some of them standard one, everything on a kick camp, on a zabu, we do like a camp. On a kizongo, we do like a campus. They Kabisa, you that was how the way we be taught. So when my mom got married now, I just don't understand. But you see, everything is making come back. So they have to bring me back. So as parents, what do you think? I can't from standard 2 come on. Like I said in the beginning, this is okay, standard 1. You feel bad, but it makes sense. Now, after I'm grown up, then we are bad. We are older than everyone. Yeah, I hear a Kalata center. But to be honest, now what we can believe. So that's the beginning point.
But one day, back in the situation, mashabiki maitu na social media. Mailo kwa sababu ya social.
Dr. Mbuvi, DR kila wakati na matubacho we say YouTube na handles. So Dr. Mbuvi YouTube, Twitter Dr. Mbuvi, Instagram Dr. Mbuvi, TikTok Dr. Mbuvi. What else is there? X. No, it is not my ex. Twitter. Now X, you can't even twin. There isn't no twin here as a Twitter. You can't say Twitter. You can't say X, no X.
And what's my change?
I don't know why they changed. I think right now it's Twitter. Mask, no, because a model on mask is masked everything. It is sleep wonderman.
Na ito na
Gen Z. Wana Gen Z.
Tuna maprove we can do
But Gen Z did a good job lakini mass back dog. But it's okay.
Mtu nini kwa social media handles. Kila bantu mwa kwa
Dr. Mbuvi. Yeah, Dr. Mbuvi. Yes.
Na mwa make sure ni masa.
Subscribe, like, share, comment. Kwanza the new song. Simbali. I catch my destiny. Hata nimesahau lyrics. I touch my destiny. I catch my success.
Mimi mnukungulia tebe shabiki ndio ngolia tebe. Mwako mana mkodi. Mbuvi dance on mwana atete.
Nina tuecha unangaili munene. Unangaili moseo.
You always
Onagavani I was sad. Producer wako look so nice and yani yeye refreshing. You will just be happy and continue.
What's we are doing?
Let me tell you something. Take a look at it. If you dedicate your day to God, take a look at our sanctuary. Like you will see the positivity. Sure.
This is the
Okay. Sorry. Be careful. Nenda au kidogo kwa tuko nani konanga hii. Ni kwa tuko na tuweka nando mecha tai. Namba yako ni 07. Inoka iloki. Yes, inoka iloki na tobi iloki te kalawa reta au moja straight from that one. Number yeah, every time you're trying to answer any question, my God.
Yes.
Kila wakwase sizwe de yeye ona. Ile sababu na unachekelewa. Yani etuma wakati dunia. In the class just keep quiet.
Wale nuna liga na yeye. Nyonge tunalisi te ngalo. Ngalisia kuna ngale okay ngalisia dikarode. Newe mundu asia.
Newe mtaba utaenda weta blo.
Newe mundu asia hii. Shukisha loilo.
Shukisha loilo. Tafadhali. Na kule mundu siwini kwa hiyo kamba ule. Oh you are. But man, I say don't laugh at them. Have fun, yes, but it's evident somebody knows that.
Exactly.
If you're perfect in one language, maybe you don't know more. But if the mother tongue make perfect, it means they're looking much. This is the guy na niki na wewe Mourinho ina na kanela accent yake juu. Admire. Mbona uadmire yangu ya Loilo? Ewe, nimefika hapa. Utakula nini? So, now the guy because I was still young, I just kept quiet. So I remember at the end of the time, mwalimu aingia result ajai. No, number 1 atakuwa anaandia. Number 2 ataitwa Sidi Christina na Sirumbi. Number 3 atakuwa James Siambe. I still remember those names. End of time. Number 1 kale kamshamba. Kala kamshamba kanungu I was still fat.
Na hiyo sisi mmoja ta Messi ni despite the tune of shamba. Na kunena lokesu ya tumitsete kikamba Kiswahili.
Yes.
Languages.
Very good. Kama sababu it's not the accent. Language is not the accent. Grammar. The accent. Accent will not take you to heaven. Come and get together with. There is a verse in the Bible. There's a verse in the Bible. There's a story about accents. Very funny. There was a tribe that was fighting another, and they looked alike. You jamaa oka. Shibboleth. Shibboleth. So accents are there, but an accent to determine your intelligence. No. Don't forget what wakicheka shauri yako. Show them with action. The results. No one can fight results. That's what it is. Number 1 end of the term. Number 1.
Saisu ni usinana na mabomu.
Nawafagia watu. Safisha.
Reaction ya mwalimu ile.
Alishtuka. You can't kill yourself. How? Nanda sana ukopi yetu ndio the best. Ukopi ya from you perform the best. How have you copied? Alishtuka sana. The mother tongue. Number 1. So standard 1. Standard 2. 1. Standard 3. 3. 7. 4. That's 4, 2, 1, 1, 5, 1, 1, 1, 6, 1, 1, 1, 7, 1, 1, 1, 8, 1, 1, 1. Allah. Nojo! Ayun na, kaya ka mukha ba? Sorry. Kaya ka mukha ba? Nojo! That's what I said. They're not at school, of course.
We are sorry.
It doesn't matter. Bora ne wasomie. University WhatsApp group. That's all that matters. Some people are people. Right? Soccer. Those are the things I think. I always want I got an admiration for physics. Well, that's a degree of physics. Yeah, so no, people are gifted differently. I came to realize David Beckham told me yes. Yes. They were, I don't know how to teach them. Classically was useless. So that means calculation, mathematics, and politics. But how when you're thinking, the calculation involved, yes, you say this guy is super smart. So there are people who can't do this in terms of paper. Yes. But you can stay calculated and perfect. In fact, when I'm on a movie, I'll bend it to a paper. In a way, I'm thinking like movie. So just get your gift accentuated to make room for you before kings and queens.
How was the race?
On the same day one, there's a guy, why he US for symposium. And my used to a black people symposium. Because he was keynote speaker. Because one of the local with the backside. When he went putting on a speech yake, and the opposition was annoyed, and then he said 2 minutes in Kikuyu. 2 minutes. After only a event, stress yet, you have the also market of where I can speech. Everyone, yeah, the land India, they were right around. You know what they were interested in? Passion. You see, could deliver passion yako, and my mother tongue is stronger than how I will deliver it. So in my mother tongue, I'm not thinking. In English, I have to think, what does this mean? So some emotional words. So some maybe put you on mother. That's why I got confidence. And your confidence, because you know you won't miss it.
I have a friend. I have a colleague. She's a lawyer. The words mwinena na akio no. Yeah. Akutaba say no. Yes. Now we are like what have you said? Hakuna word. Iko na hiyo. Haina hiyo impact. Nikikwambia na Kiswahili hapo Kizungu. Haina that flavor. So look Google. Omera, what is? You see how powerful that is? How do you say that in English? Hey, what's up? Nena vibe. Kwanza ndikuma na kikamba. Ite is more powerful than kumbo hii. Kama you dog. On a donkey. Yeah. Donkey is a bad word. Yeah. Lakini ingoi. Yani ingoma na power. You know that I'm speaking. Yeah. Wavikale nana. Oh, but I didn't know you pala. Wavikale nana school my brother. Hey. You see, during our days, we were kanaka school. My friend. What I love about it, primary, now primary because I was number one. I see I mean you don't go to. You, if you never can never praise the power of bullying at the first. Okay, there are negatives. Okay, but the positive was this. When they are forced to play rugby, like you have to play. You know. Remember you were a Kamba. I'm a Kamba playing rugby. Rugby na hizo tusinia lose. You dominant. Yes. It is okay. Fast another for one. There were many houses. It are dogs. The houses. I know. So that is another high school. Look at them. We was a good friend with our honest master Soy.
Let me say Onesmus na kabla. Onesmus, Cosmas. Abednego. Hatuna kabla. Wazi Onesmus na
Majenzi mede tumeananga 5
kama na maziwa
Agnes.
We need to go back to the names we had. Domitila.
Yes. We are sorry.
And I'm going to akaba very fine. No, you see the labor. Then you say, na grow up better on the Is it like a Zongo block? What's an English name?
You read the pronunciation.
Only the name of that Where did he go? Gregory. Campus we are unique. Anyway, so that is our kind of Jama okay na mukimbie the cheer I had around. Sama this is my spot. But what is that? Mnono ndo nianduka. Tunaanza kapota yao manenange kidogo. So in that basically what I'm saying that wamamali na you can balance both academics and extracurricular. But then you have this thing. And in most events where they are on a free from 4, I was able to represent our country. India's continent. Just 3 points from representing the whole of Africa. In other countries. And I was the lead actor. Yani I see what a star. I can yani wasifu lili kana from all music. What a star. What a natural performer. His smile is as big as the northeast, nothing today to us. Remember?
Yes.
And the guys in the guys so that Lenana exposed me. Yeah, it opened. Education, what it does, problems. Yes. You meet other intellectuals and how they set so much the class. It's important. But Nico Kuman and Rangi makes the difference. They all happen. It opens. Wow. Some good schools. Sakaja Lenana, let me say. Sakaja, Gabba. Kindiki Lenana, let me say. Tokodi Lenana, let me say. Don't joke, my brother.
This is a new product Lenana.
Product shall the Lenana school changes.
Mashabiki lama somia Lenana katika comment section.
Onesmus! Kisoi!
Yeah. And let me tell you, these guys are blessed.
Yes.
They won't have Lenana school.
No, you can't unless you are where we are. Because I don't want to really rattle like you had all the options. You get options. You want to give a career. Sports, education, available. Music, very available.
Okay. No, man. Remember, you had to be. And you also were afraid.
I can't watch it. Everyone in the Nana was a joke. So you're not special. You see, when you're in a school, when you come for primary, you're joke. So you're special.
Yeah.
But now you've congregated and all the special in one place. So nobody's more special. That's why now school is smart. You want to do just intellectual, you want to balance over matter. What can you add? That balance of life is important. Because Mungendo mentioned those schools, they were considered rating better than none in terms of performance. Like you know, myself, no, so the only thing I can say is that I love all those solutions. Oh, now, my funky. We either used to meet Kenya High, Boma, or Caps, more in Nairobi girls, Kana Precious Black. Yes. Wazina kimwana ba tunasifuna wonte weka on parade wa roster wa weta when a floating colors. On floating colors. Anona ya namwiti, what's wrong with you? Yani so
Wacha kutuangusha.
you encourage yourself to see, to open your mind into bigger things. Dunia is a variety. Yes, you need to have all those things to balance life. On Biblia, your life does not consist in the abundance of possessions. It could mean a lot of things. It's about God, but it means also it's an abundance, a variety of things. What say? A jack of all trades.
Yes.
Is it an angel? Does a jack of all trades and a master of none? I say a jack of all trades and a master of one. So you have one in 22, but you also have a little bit of knowledge on the others. That's Just Lenana needs to give me some money.
Please, Jessica,
Nihil praeter optimum. They mean nothing.
that's their school motto. School motto. I always say the school
White
motto.
mottos.
The school motto. School motto.
Kwa hiyo
Ndio tumeona ito Machakos.
sote hata my brother was in Machakos.
Huyu wembe.
Huyu is good intelligence man.
Huyu. No.
Tiwe.
No, ni kutegemea we pronounce it. Nundu nikikamba. Yes. Biala makwasya huyu wembe. Na biala taitu kwasya huyu wembe.
You guys are crazy. Sareni ndaenda na tulenge juu. Nalenga mimi. Atulenge juu.
Tunalenga juu.
Kama malenge tulenge tu hilo. Hapana. No, hiyo ni Simba.
Wamina
Campus.
Wamina
High school, sorry. But pepa nana ni changanyi to do ila tai 944 go tai the God bless. Kita wanja la wa. Ni changanyi kilo. Baka yani we from phone about and I will one day come back for you. Hey, I remember those days. I will one day come back.
I remember those days. Either ni to the function.
Yes.
Just going near the function. I remember the following day. Nina kwata hapa leo kwa 15.
So what do from mambo ya mambo ni mambo delivery wa sipi. Ambao kwa ngomole. Ndio ngomole. Anyway.
You neither 15 ukija leo jamaa wena 30. You yani hii lifestyle. Tunakuwa ati okay.
Ndio yeye alikuwa
Mbele jamaa ya
Patikie.
Because that was there.
That was the pride of a boy.
Yeah. Na you with the labda the cast was yani wale kuonekana kabarati.
Na utuweze high school ya lamba bwana.
But
That day with them na sababu nisio ndesha all kinds.
no kamba na ita the mundu yetu sati yake na hiyo pita na kisha mchungi after function.
Na kama initials because
Because case baadaye. Yeah, it was very fun. So wadi
no, so can you say when I was coming I love story. So my head is there and those were Scotland India. So what they loved me, I was a big boy and after I was a star. So as you kwa you fellows. Yeah, you're nobody. You fellows, you're nobody. You're superstars, bro. This yoga rugby team, yeah, you go so well. Excuse me, I had not adjusted phone and put me to the first game. Because then as your car, you know you're that bored and what I take our place to know I need to die. You've come with us. Don't Windows your Scotland. Make it way in Scotland. Mox your car. So go get
Angela wala we
I give you for every letter you got 15 can 1, 2, 3, 4, 15. So you see now you're not still. Mox your car. No from 4 will go. It's a result of they made an impact. Impact can be negative times. No from 4 will go. I think I mean exam you open as in I am seeing what you do. I think the union get yes. So for every question. Tamina na my mom. It's not my mom yes. Go man the school knows you can yes. Kava. But the exams came in advance. I'm honest. Na kwa raila course na mando.
the maana tuwekie mtihani na tumekuwa na you let's have KMC. How was the exam? Asia high. But now, when the results came,
was it really young?
Vice versa. So we are talking to candidates.
Yes.
Ala maelezo candidates. Tuende tumata kidogo. Uyeka mtiani no one wants everything. But now come December. With it vice versa. So me tell them something.
Exams is not a vision. Exams is they are one moment of your life. Let me tell you. Kila weka exam na inoka the way you anticipated. It's okay.
Yeah.
Find out where you could have gone from. Every test, stairs. If you trip, Olisa or you try again. But hii mtu ya watu kitavati celebrity superstar. Niweza tibuti tamarame na tayina kailea producer iko ya. No siongea ndio what is wrong. Yeah. You must trial and life is about trial and error. Try again. Test is a test. Watoto kupika testimony. Kuna test there, kuna test. Yeah. So you start trials. Trials. My mom said was grown up. I'm an evidence of trial, which was a failure. But now, yeah, I am. Are you inviting me as a failure? No. So you can recoup, you can take, actually make it. Mutiani wako yote ready ndo kaambia kwa stress disorder. Just try and think it. See what can be done. Times exams like this. Masia asema kazi akawa alipiki. But kama ni graph, no trial yes. Ukiyeka y axis. Ukiyeka x axis. Ukiyeka title. Ukiyeka attempt.
Wewe sio unavyo mundu nevi ya pass once you given exam. Now we see you heavy around it. Writing your name
is something you know. Something you know.
And doesn't matter.
What about my one name multiple choice? You made a big mistake. Up to today. Yes. What I'll do Nambiana. Okay. Yako I don't know the answer. There's A, B, C, D. Jambe hapo isi. Which is least D? No, it's a lie. A, no, it's a lie. B na C. Which one is strong? 1, 2, 3. But you will realize when I can look at our innate intelligence, intelligence even before you learn anything, it can give you marks. There's an exam I went and studied. Usienda kama mimi. Wewe mtia ninaingia na pia open paper. The first 25 questions, yes, were multiple choice. The next 25 marks, I think multiple was given to 2 marks, so there are 25 questions, total 50. The next, discuss. Yes. My friend, yes, again. But I think I got either 14 or 15%. Majority of those answers came from multiple choice, which I got 60. And I did that. The level is, yeah. What else? Where? Don't despise what you have, you may be surprised. Despise it after you finish the exam. Another course. This kind of thing is very good to our selling. Selling your my citizen, never an is there was my lecture. Okay. There is an exam here. I was only space is only. I have been dedicated to our greatness course. He's done my thesis. All I did, I said, here I am. Here is the paper. It has to be done. Let me do it. That's the hallmark of a man. But once you are I must face it head on. We'll cry later. This is it. Onanoma wote na masia no. Unajua pia ndo maisia hii. Ala kwa Biblia metawacha. Dele meta alima tunajua. Whatever it's called. Alemafu mama. Mangu high school wezana. Mama mmetukana na huyu jamaa hapa. Ni mwenye maisia hii tena kama haito. Tu kweza. Tena haito. Kimo takuhatiba yani mmoja. Kama ya baby. Worst case scenario ni mmoja. Best case scenario matona kupiga ita Israel by getia za akata. My steps so gaya multiplier when you try things comes in. Gaya multiplier may get a wall. Those guys say ndio mapata leo maya mabona kama isia hii. Tayari mbona na maisha kwa ya mimi leo. You might be the greatest deliverer, lakini Saturday ukenga you're not ready. No, when you face it you are ready. How ready you are to it. Ikikataa utajaribu tena kesho. I did my best. At any time.
Yes, mashabiki maitu otono ndo ni mutapsie EKAI TUNEENE nikilukira ketetu kwenyu ni kuose wa Loto Moto mashabiki na kutoka Loto Moto muda basi it is very very easy wekata simu yako dial *570 hash we choose option number 4 nikenda wikipedia ni with some goodies kuna midinzio bingi tuende nonenga ne baya katika studios ya Loto Moto mashabiki tukatata ukengeka sasa simu yako dial *570 hash we choose option number 4 nikenda wikipedia tukunite mambo nesa thank me later so mwana kwetu wa Mbuvi.
Yes sir.
Karibu sana tuende nesa shabiki wao wanamewete good tumewete nesa
Bisha unapazole
to the campus
to the campus Moi University Chepkoilel campus Eldoret. Very nice place. Very nice. Bachelor of Science in Physics. Physics.
chopi machopi
The Bernoulli's principle, Newton's laws of motion.
kuna na masomo monday na industry
Yeah,
kana nungu alikia katika industry
it's unrelated because what happens is as you go on with life, what you have and say. That's why you should never do. Like don't give you're not afraid. Maybe you can, or maybe ni chapu you're not ready for it. Atrarisha akindi late akindi diligence. I know I understand you, but there's a time when I tried fashion design as well. Okay, ela we take this for someone 5 minutes and I got to work for Abort. Now he's writing books, he's a musician, he's a fashionista, he's doing all the things that he's supposed to do. All of it. When I break to you, I try like a year for one. Joseph was in here. I got a colleague, family, I got what is wrong. When I have a vision, I dreams of the images here. Mama, what is wrong? They hated him all. How will I say I didn't get away? I wouldn't include father. But my young material because they were old. Why this kid? No, Mama, how please for you are learning so I wait I get and feel that me at the one and took up to them. For also says how I'm rescue the whole of the world. So when you try things, only calculate the quality of failure. From basic failures here to success. And this is shading like that. Firirinda. Choose some others Firirinda. Firirinda was in 1987. Yes. You know that. Ila wewe kia mina na huta kwa nini? Star yoki yoshini. 2 years ago. 2 years ago. You never afraid. The very man, why is he a success? Okay, then you put. Nando manzi amei, umesema ngofa na very without what. Why would you become a hero for that? God can make you a hero. Try. Even when you can't try. Moses akulindwa ina chawa asendina kitu kuduzuru wa rescue. So even yes, and I took up in fact music, and I would have music for a long time. And my mom taught me in primary, nobody taught that. In high school, yeah. Later, ni kita ma degree na ni kita siao. Dina ni wewe ikati. Never. The journey is not over until it's over. God can give you success at 70. Wala ndo ambaye KFC ambaye KFC 68 or 70. Wala ambaye peanut butter muunda wake wa peanuts wa kio. Ambaye ana peanut nazi Allah, it can work. It's working. So things they are not what you study may not be what you work for. But there is quite a kind opportunity to business. Na pia wazi na garama ya career. Kwa vile ndio kabla. But you know what was it with and number 5 is I preach Jesus using physics. They've never had something like that. I didn't know I had that. You speak and you realize so much. But when you give up before you expect on the way, on the mind of the buy. Mara said the middle auction, and they can't act like a but every young man what they take it. I just say, let's say the following day. Two days later, check where everything happened. 7 people. She just gave up. So don't give up. Keep trying things. Keep doing things. The issue success is not how many people follow you. Success is are you being good by yourself, by the standard that you have right now. Yes. As long as you're better than yesterday, you may not have reached today. But as long as I'm better than yesterday, there's an improvement. Rather than that, instead, 2 out of 10, the E is a fail. But it's better 2 than 0. Nice, yeah. If I try to shoot, what are the chances? I've not shot an arrow to that seat in a long time. What are the chances? The chances are maybe 30% of it. So let me try. If you don't try, what are the chances? 0. Totally 0 because you haven't tried. Yeah. So just keep trying. You don't know what you want. You just don't. Oh, sorry. Because you don't have the other. But yeah, guys, keep trying. Keep trying. Because I can't do it. But I keep trying. I mean, that's how career started. I think that's where we are going. Now, church. You know what I wanted to say.
Umaanisha my dream is valid.
Your dreams are always valid. Not a producer, but yes, you don't know where you're going. My first producer was RK Robert Commands. The first time I sang, I'm really you can't see. Can you say we're a diction? Diction is the ability of your words to add to your. So you can either say, I can't sing, I give up. And now I say, I say addiction. But when I can't, the next time, you give it up. How? See. Try. They know what I'm asking. That's how music is.
What's your plan there?
Okay. That song is for 2000 flat. The year 2000.
My producer 2000 whatever.
What do you mean whatever? Whatever. The right question is whatever. Yeah. So that was the first song. And what happened was Nike and Stan Walimu was Nakalaka Kapela. RK Robert Commands was just that. So we were attached. We had to do a white music at 49. So the church said, Pastor it, and I was listening by there, I was attentive. There were no mobile phones by there. When I never say you couldn't record. They are not like this. And I was listening. That's how I know Ninga when I get to I was attentive to the sound. Okay, what? At that time, I put it sharp. And they were looking for a song. They had done songs, they were looking for a pop sound. What you don't know, can. You know, music is of different forms. But you minister, but there's one pop sound. You make one house here in the world. It's very good. Like that track. You can have this one. When you watch the next minute, wave, count the neck, I might again get our top 7 and 7.
Yeah, top 7 and 7.
4 Marana, the following. Wow. My friend, don't give up. Gaino was set. Right now, number 1, 2, 3, 4, win number 6,226. You can live to Sonia. Like a place. So you have to be difficult. And that's what we did. From here, I think the biggest thing that. One day, get away, Mbuvi. Say, why did you now? Yes, sir. Maroon commandos. Oh, Maroon. Changes. Diko you changes. Lenana school is a good school. I told you.
Who is between my interview?
Who is coming in between my
interview?
Endo changes na some maroon tameta maroon don't take care maroon. In fact our rugby team tameta we admired Pen Nairobi rivals were Nairobi school. So we all admired Nairobi University. When a rugby team kali a mean machine. I mean mean tough machine. What because we are rival, we better say it a mean process mean maroon don't take care maroon. Now Nairobi school later our patch later patch. Oh, lakini kwa sababu mundu wa patch wa patch ita Nairobi school. Kamea if a changeria it changes. If a changeria straws against all, it changes it. If a Pacherian straws against all, he patches it. Yeah, patches. That is long before we laugh with this.
That is funny. Very funny.
Yes,
it's very funny. Tuona director ndio kama
director is maroon, never maroon.
Eto Chilo records. No kizo tulaja asome hawa. Maroon.
Yes, mashabiki Otolo Ndunini mutabise omunde twina mundu kwitwa Dr. Mbuvi niwe katika studios sito sia mudanyani wa omunde na Otolo Ndunini mutabise twitwa ambako ukilia ukilia mwako na itu kwa Kisongo
if you're not ashamed to praise, come and praise him and let me see you do it like this. Makes you wanna go makes you wanna go makes you wanna go go and makes you wanna go
Wow. By the way, what do you think katika YouTube?
Original iko, lakini Neki ya mapiano yake remix.
Niki original ile kwa Niki.
There were no videos then. Doli kana producer naye msie. Kwa kamera sia hivyo. Kamera hisi asa iwe na producer.
Ona piece mulu no Neki wadi wa ombe adia no Neki.
Na chio kimi Neki kwa kile moko wa mapiano remix.
Wow. Wadi wa oswa okilia moko wa kueleka katika Limelight.
Yes. I think we recorded to release the follow that day why number 4. Kwa this guy at our Hot 7 at 7, I can't remember.
I think it's Hot 7 at 7.
Okay, number 4 then number 1 all through. It was the biggest song in Kenya that year. And I still perform it then a groove zemo no kwaito. Nila kwaito sound ya kwaito yo meta South Africa when it was coming. No kama this kind of kana group yata wa TKZ. TKZ yeah. Come let me be your number one. It's a fiasco underneath the sun. I can't remember the melody vizuri.
Nitene
producer wangu ndaye mzee.
Tuonena tukanda line yabo. Producer
Capital Italics.
So kuma walika wadi ongeweta wa actually wadi uliona kwetie katika Limelight na wa blow kabisa.
Kwata kawaya. In between just kusummarize kidogo. Pai watu weta wa Sweet Twale which I sang. Ilana manene I can sing. I dedicated a song to my mom. She passed on some time back.
Opole.
So nakombe ngoni bana. Uteka nisamehe. It was a very good song. Nikilemewa nishike. Ndisaka no wesiosu. Nionyeshe njia yako baba. It was a big song in the churches. Haiko bazizi ambeokwa kadhalika hizo bazizi ambeokwa. Lakini nione wewe sema mkamba kilevela cha Yesu ni chocolate. Wikake latte. Mwenye na mondo wawia. Sawa. And after that 2 years later kwa Chakawaya which was now the banger of bangers.
Yes.
Cause dika kivevelo I was not sure proper kao can work. Ukile moko ndo zitakitia tuliangukia.
Yeah.
Lakini tainuka nayo. So you dika kivevelo it was a joke. We were just doing pemutu wita wakambua ndisika no mzee. She was trying to finish a project before she goes back to school. She was studying in Canada. So tendao mine ambazi na isi azelete. We were dry. Tunalikana wait peka chorus ndisika ta kivevelo. Tucheze nako tukayeke. Kaka hit it was just supposed to juko nazi ya kikamba can work. That's when now kwa Kawaya came up.
Okay. Na Kawaya wakapata.
Kawaya na kakwate kangaine museo kena favor. Today weddings, churches.
Lazima.
In fact the first time Nambeya Queen there some churches which didn't like it. It was too hype. Kuma tukwana na mewe kwa praise him in an African way. Kwa Kawaya. Ali mama ana malea Kawaya kaindi ya.
But Ngai works and mistake. Ngai sees the future and he can give you something right before it's time. And then it takes over and goes on.
Okay. Wow.
That's Pata Kawaya for you.
What katika industry? What are some of the challenges ila wako maningana sio?
The first one was by there was no room for gospel to be played. Nando makoya why gospel? Tena kwa gospel niki. No, Buddhist mayuata, Islam mayuata. But eventually when they realized gospel has numbers, they started playing. And I think we were like Gayu Atotomi at the founding blocks makwambia ko release gospel. Because before somebody can realize that Okilia Moko is gospel. Because it because it's a great song. That's when I learned a great song is a great song. You can have a good song, a gospel, and somebody will say we can't play it. Maybe they mean well, but if you do a blockbuster song, it won't matter. Frankly, Stomp, knows what he was Stomp. That song, it hit in the 90s. It came, you're like, what in the world is that? That's when I learned. Go back and do something way better than anything they've ever had. It will be played. People are not bad.
Wow.
It's just that we all have our own taste and our presuppositions. So remove those presuppositions, do something out of the ordinary. Kinwando mate ku imagine like what I'm going to release next year. Mwana ina watabia now. I will release something once. What in the world is that? Wizila chacha huyu. Yeah.
Wow. Kuma, those are Tunenia challenges, eh?
Yes.
And that is number.
Oh, it's a challenge in the So coming way before your time. Number two, okay, there you events. You know it or events mingi at that time. That was a long time ago. See club in, see carnival. Na mix wa une weird. On our award systems ya eku. I remember as an award I won that I seen that. My year announced I had 0 people to cheer me, and yet it was the biggest R&B song in the country.
Okay.
But fans because church, church, carnival. You know nowadays we are a little bit more carnival. There's nyama.
Yeah.
And my Christian anywhere there's beer. They can't even stand next beer. But now things have changed. Now you can see Besta Wame had a challenge. Eki advertisement yetawata Malta. Malta is a soft drink. Lakini ya Guinness. So the fact that it's written Malta Guinness, churches mama vungi ameangu.
You're
advertising alcohol.
Yeah, no way.
You can't convince them it's a soft drink. So those were the bottlenecks. And then cost of production was expensive. It was crazy. Cost of production, who's going to buy your music, CDs, replication, those CDs. Huh? In fact, my first songs were in cassettes.
Last year.
No, it's not Moko. We didn't know the industry. And we didn't know where to sell. Before we can learn how to sell and get the money. Takomana bootleg. We didn't know what was going on. We're like, how can people do that? What do you mean, how can people do that? That's what Drivel Road does. Those are some of the challenges then. Yeah. But God has kept us.
God is faithful.
God is ever true.
Tambo nene watu you know hakuna mundu kuitwa Ross Muhando. You are hey, let me tell you. To reach Muhando, it's not easy.
No, it's not easy. It's not easy. But all things are possible to those who believe. You just look where there's a will, there's a way. You will find no what a mundo wese Muhando. This guy was come on get our wisdom.
Wisdom, yes.
Yes, wisdom is one who connected me and Biave Kimwana. Gengi kitawa Jawabu Studios, Basil.
Basil.
Near connection, Monona Mohando. And that's how we communicated. Now, okay, and then we did a song.
Okay.
It all started from Jamabu in US. A good friend of mine went down na Mohando. In fact, I was not even in the picture. Then I get our connect way. Na Mohando make a collab. Nima connect Jamabu, I said, no, Mbuvi, long enough with them. Kulikandeni. Nake Mohando oka. She loved how I sing. I said we could do something later. And we were able to. She's costly, but we were able to.
Yes. Ni rate yake
Yeah,
idha.
she's costly. She's
Rate
costly.
yake idha nini.
But she's worth it.
But because of the brand.
She's worth it.
Mhm.
She's worth it.
Now,
Eh.
no tutengete mulivyo takamba.
Mhm.
Na
Ai,
ni vano ni
nako.
tete.
What do you mean?
Ni
What
vano
do you
tete
mean, my
kamba
brother?
nundu. Tuine sauna collab na Wilberforce. Tuino na collab na Evangelist John K.
By the way, John
Tuino
K. I'll give you.
Wow.
John K.
So tuiche kendo tayari.
K. But what happens with music at times in collabos, you can make mistakes. I think we made a mistake there, kidogo. Because Waziosu was not so much John K. And it was not so much Mbuvi. So
iko hapo katikati.
Kwa ndo John K. Mesa John K. yu chao. John K. does very deep music. So maybe I should have done deep with him because I can do deep. Kuna amosongi singalikwe yako. But now you don't get the best of John K. out of. He's sing good. He's not the best of. He's talented. Lakini his fans don't want him this way.
Yes.
They want him that way.
Alama fans too weta.
The fans. And the fans are always right.
They're always right.
Right. Now my favorite music is R&B. Any day. Ginenge R&B I will sing. Nefano wewe kwenda kuita Mbuvi na R&B. Wanajua wangimange na sio kwa so you give fans what they want. So maybe that's where we failed. Tutafanya nyingine rafiki yangu sana. He's a fan of Manchester United like me. John K. mtu wa nguvu.
My director and they say that our team we want this in Liverpool.
Ajaone wa volleyball mwa kana netball.
No, that fun. Kana ni director, what's your team? Manchester.
Oni wa City
ya. Huyu Manchester.
Manchester City.
Liverpool.
Aston Villa. Nottingham Forest.
I'm not a fan of football. Lakini inezebe timu ina sindigo.
Sasa noeka na Kimi wewe.
Arsenal itawa Arsenal. Hiyo kitu mutayo ndo weta. So Ukambani, what's your favorite gospel artist?
There are many, no. There's not one. There are many because you get a variety of things. When there's something super deep, there are three guys. Nenda kwe wa you hallelujah EKAI TUNEENE.
Yes.
Pe Wilberforce wa mweta. Pe John Mbaka. Na pe Evangelist John K. Depth. Hallelujah.
Niko kuna debate ya watu kabena mbala sita tu. Ukambani.
Oh, those three.
Na mimi hapa ni wameweta.
No, they just happen to do what happens with our dispensations. They are just happening to do make kila kio resonate na kamba at the moment. But you see, there's no competition in gospel. There's complementing.
Yes.
Before Masia Mbalasile, Masia Nekasolo, na Mielo. So it keeps changing. Before na gospel ya modern, Masia ni Daddy Owen versus Jimmy Gates.
Okay.
Then Masia ni Willie Paul versus Bahati. So no dispensation. It doesn't mean one is better. It doesn't mean one is holy. And favor yanga ya land kwao. Na mundula gaiwa nenga favor. Honor that favor because it's God who's given it.
True.
So that's what happens.
Niwe say aini mwitu mabenga.
Kina Maima, kina mwana sita ndanda mention. That name is tricky. Peka tivoi. No, so it's not tricky. It's a way top. Onadhia Maima is just advice become normal. Otherwise, but I know them.
You know them,
people, yes.
But
Maima is a good man. I like Maima. He's a good man. I do celebrate them because at times, at times they may pick the wrong word. I guess it's nondo menda wazi uthi. Okay. Wazi wa Ken wa Maria. Wakati mbaku. No, thank you. No, waweta. Do you know that song has a very good lesson?
Okay.
It's talking about this woman. How can you leave your kids? Unaenda maraundi kuranda huko. Unaona? And the message is nice. I just wouldn't use those words. Na anasema I like going deep into the creativity of the man. Nikama amesema sija kutukana. But imemlemea lazima mtukane. Sitaki kutukana lakini wenyewe ni fala.
Nina kuuma.
So they are creative, they have a message.
Yeah.
I wouldn't use some words, but they know why they use them. For me, I wouldn't. But they have content. This content, when you see people following people, they may choose the wrong words. They don't have to use the wrong words for it to hit, but they've chosen to. That's what they've chosen. They have freedom here, artistic expression. You're not doing gospel, so but I think they're doing a good job in terms of running the industry. That may make it aware myself. I'm proud of them in terms of their industry. All of them may bands. That means those are people eating. Those are people with families. They are eating. There's a whole industry. There are people who sell their music. There are stations. I'm sure no interview. Some stations are running because of them. It's a whole industry.
Nti wita kau, lakini kani wite pia kau with it katika industry ya gospel yo kambani. Na inisi, as long as we katika media, definitely ndule yako iko kwa manana those scrambles.
You'll hear them.
Ila kwa manana sio. Tawi mwini wa urban music na we mukamba na yu kwegwa ndeke ya muthanga iwe sebe mundu ito
I know. No go ito maseketa. I know maseketa nene hangite nake monango. Yes.
You kwegwa like maybe lima ku exchange words. I'm just giving an example. Didn't ask mena any differences. I'm just giving an example. Saila we maybe mwini fulani uende na mena issues na mwini fulani na masieti katika mitandao. Weta Mbuvi umesa hata.
You isn't it tricky because they say how sure are you tikiki? How sure are you tikiki? Why are you talking about them? Name for me 5 songs. Sia ndeke.
5. That's tricky.
Akambe kia uto ndo wastama kidogo. But scandals yake itana naunda hiyo quickly.
Okay.
Unasema secretary the same thing. How do you know tikiki? Only they know what they're doing.
So it's a way of
I don't know. Tondo ndiye say, but it could be. These are positions. Tondo, I wouldn't. When I do gospel music, I don't go that direction because God has a way of pushing his own content. But you see, everyone is called different. Maybe they know what they're doing. So messy, or maybe the beef. I wouldn't know. I wouldn't know.
Wow.
And izongezea bu wakaambia kwaza where you do this, you do that. I'm not their mentor.
Yeah.
I'm not their mentor. Majority of mentorship ya dunia it's by deeds. If my deeds haven't mentored them, maybe I need to increase my deeds. It's not so much. You can only correct a person mkielewana. That's why Jesus said, and don't make disciples. Not born again too, that's good. But disciples. Mungu tu anakuwa na actions yako na akakata akaenda kuita wata kucopy, kuiga, kufollow. Only actions. Not if Jesus was in an interview, akolwe yani Judas, who are you aware of? What is your opinion? What would Jesus say?
Okay.
There's a myriad of answers he'd give. Peter, yani mundu na wonondo wiki yako deny. Why are you putting him at a high place? But later what happened? Peter yake we amoseo mono. Paul we muta wake na ne wo yando. He changed things. So do mention yaka no ka pass judgment before time. Okay, all of us, they are grown-ups and they know what they're doing. They know what the gospel is and they know what entertainment is. Balancing the two, now we get a good result. Now it's up to you.
Wow. It's a good one.
It's a
good one. It's a good one. Dia kwata answer wa mo the boss lakini umonde nina kwata. Mbuvi twiminokelelya. Be mashabiki, mafans, makwendete meba tanaku. Tuasa. Na ni watu wanakuja mena questions sia Mbuvi tuene somona na ring yewe say akwa hii yewe say akwa ni mark
ring tabele ya school, but I've never been a prefect, so mwingi mbata ndi ring ngengele
so tuene somona na ring na chance
ya chao
ya mafans meokulia
I think nako ni wasimu kwa kana ambaza simu hii mafans kama mutabia the next time hello Lambo dhika jibu kasimu kani agent mono blow. Because I like a state house.
Kaza nikitia yenda running mate. Sasa imedinja.
Na kukulia saizi wewe katika
Ndio kana jibuka
jibuka swali. Jibuka swali.
Eka numali unga kajibuka swali.
Shabiki wako.
Producer ndo abeka Ni kajibuka didi kasimuka ningo sio kwa.
Mafans muona Mbuvi walenga lakini.
Kana kalanga munango unopyo na umena za kwa heri ningo katumora. Halo. Aiwezi hata.
Washabiki wetu umenukuitwa Daktari Mbuvi n'uyu mwene wiri mudanyana wa mundi na niwe the busy nwako ni wasimu ya State House na nimese ndo ni mutaba sengaini museo mavinda onde ngaini museo. Mashabiki maitu tafadhali tuithe tuyeti eneo kuya katika mitandao idho Twitter wa EKAI TUNEENE na kwenye personally mwendo mbatia nita wa Robert Mue EKAI TUNEENE na nundo guest waitu ni wadi wanakwa niigwa kumwea mashabiki maitu. Until we meet next time the same place the same time. May God bless you, may God bless our Kamba nation. Peace.
Rahisisha uwezo wako wa ushindi kwa kukuwa memba wa Loto Moto na ni rahisi. Dial *570#, chagua option 1. Ukiwa memba ni rahisi kufika kwenye jukwaa hili ili kujaribu mchezo wetu wa Loto Moto Show. Na pia kama memba unajipa nafasi rahisi ya kuingia kwenye promotion zetu zinazokupa nafasi ya kujishindia chapaa na zawadi kibao kama TV, friji, pikipiki, mashamba na pia magari. Kuwa memba ni *570# option 1. Tushinde kama members.